thank you so much for being with us at Glee TV.
Hi Lina, thank you for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Yeah, sure. So our business is called Hempe. The brand is called Hempe, and it's a wellness and health products. CBD topical. We have a muscle and joint gel. We've got some skin balms, and we're here to provide an alternative for people who suffer with aches and strains, busy beavering away in the garden and get that bad skin and those sore joints. And we've got something. It's going really well.
And is it your first time at Glee?
This is our first time at Glee. Yeah, the reaction to our being here has been phenomenal. We've had a lot of interest, and we're really happy. It's not an area that we looked at previously. It's something we stumbled onto and then realized that, I suppose, people who spend a lot of time outdoors do suffer with some skin and joint issues and muscle issues as well. So, we're here, and it's been great.
I mean, wellness industries is really quite a booming market, because lots of people are really worried about their well-being.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this is really trendy right now.
I think so.
So do you notice a change in the last few months in terms of demand?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think if anything, COVID has taught people to maybe take their health a little bit more seriously than they may have March 2020. So I think that people are now turning to something that's a little bit more alternative, a bit more natural. Quite recently in the media, we've heard about how, there's a lot of people suffering with chronic conditions, pain and skin, and the reliance on heavy painkillers and opioids is, I think people are looking for something a bit more natural, a bit more alternative, and we've got something that's filling that space, and that has seen our demand really increase and kind of shoot for the sky.
And can you tell us a little bit about hemp-based products? Because that's something that lots of people are not so familiar with.
Yeah, I mean, our products are extremely unique in regards to the fact that they are, we're regulatory compliant first and foremost. So, our products are okay from that point of view. We use CBD isolates. CBD is from the hemp plant. And the hemp plant is a natural plant that grows naturally.
Yep.
So part of what we do is to try and educate people as well, to make them realize and understand that whilst, yes, there is an element of that plant you can use socially and recreationally, there's a large part of it that can be utilized for alleviating. CBD is an anti-inflammatory. So because it's an anti-inflammatory, it's extremely good at alleviating those kind of, aches and strains and skin conditions, etc. And we have a lot of science that backs our products, and that's why we're doing so well within the market.
And moving forward, do you have any kind of insights about business plans that you can share with us?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, look, we're quite new. We only really commercially launched last year. We had to kind of put the plan off because of COVID, and within inside, kind of 9 to 11 months, that just under a year period, we've gone from selling solely within the UK to selling in America and having sports celebrities endorse our products. We're now selling in India as well and across Europe. So we've got kind of a global mindset to getting the products out there. Because for me, what's really important is to get these into the hands of people that need them. People who suffer with these kind of conditions that want to look for something a bit more natural. They're the ones that we want to really target.
Thank you so much, and thank you for your time and for talking with us.
Thanks for having me.
TV. Thank you.